Supermodel! Starting a business can be an exciting and rewarding experience, but it can also come with challenges. Here are 8 steps to help you create a business. Step number 1, conduct market research to determine if there is a demand for your product or service. Identify your target audience and competitors. Number 2, develop a business plan, developing your goals, strategies, and financial projections to help you stay focused and organized as you start your business. Number 3, choose a legal structure for your business, such as a sole proprietorship, a partnership, an LLC, or a corporation. You can consult with a lawyer or an accountant to determine the best structure for your business. Number 4, register your business with the appropriate government agencies, such as the IRS, state tax authorities, or local business licensing offices. Number 5, secure funding for your business through your savings, grants, loans, or even angel investors. Remember to also develop a budget and financial plan to help you manage your finances. Number 6, set up your business operations, such as your office, website, storefront, equipment, and inventory management system, hiring employees or contractors as needed. Number 7, market your business through advertising, social media, and other channels because it's vital to build relationships with your customers and partners to help grow your business. And finally, number 8, monitor your business performance and adapt your strategies as needed. Stay flexible and open to new challenges and opportunities. By following these steps, you can start a successful business that meets your customers' needs and helps you achieve your goals. Follow me at the Faith Model Guide for more tips.